monster. Welcome to Desert Island, said the king.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the part 6.
Yes,
and there's only 3. So let's do this.
I will also give you a prize if you find my letter. Which prize would you like?
This one.
Good choice, said the king. Now,
let's let Jayla go first this time.
Yay!
Oh.
Let's learn a new sound.
Oh.
As in?
Lion.
Lion.
Can you say? Try to find the letters that make the sound.
Great. What should we do? Let's do this first.
The evil duck has captured a villager. To free the villager, tap on all the buttons.
Then make the sound. Yay! Gerald is so good.
Jump on the pads to get to the next village.
Sorry, I skipped one.
To free the villager, tap on all the buttons that make the sound.
Hooray!
Jump on the pads to get to the next village.
And banana! One more.
To free the villager, tap on all the buttons that make the sound.
Hooray!
Thank you, said the king. You found my letters.
You're gonna
can
have the
your
prize now. Since there's only 3, I think for the next one, we should let Ollie and Ella work together on the second one.
I will give
Yeah,
you
my
another prize.
sister.
Which prize would you like?
An apple!
Good choice, said the king. Now, can you help me find the letters that make the sound?
Oh,
Let's learn
like
a
2
new
L's.
sound. As in?
Bell.
Bell.
Can you say?
Oh.
Try to find the letters.
I have an
that
idea.
make the
Let's
sound.
play a game. Let's go to the teddy bear. I love that game. My gosh, look at the tentacles again.
To save the bear,
He's the worst guy.
the word
Doll.
to climb the tower and save him.
That was the easiest one. Again, but at the very high tower.
Dr. Tentacle has captured the bear. To save the bear, make the word
Hill.
to climb the tower and save him. Find each of the sounds.
Next
of the
one
word.
is
Phil.
yes.
Thank you, said the king. You found my letters. You can have your prize now.
Just the last guy is Disney Wolf.
If you can find some more letters for me, I will give you another prize. Which prize would you like? Good choice, said the king. Now, can you help me find the letters that make the sound?
Oh, I mean,
Let's learn a new sound. As in,
kiss.
can you say?
It could be a little hard.
Try to find the letters that make the sound.
Let's go to the duck place.
Oh no! All the ducks
Oh,
have
dear.
escaped. Put all the ducks in the pond. Put all the ducks in the pond.
I love that game. Last round.
Put all the ducks in the pond.
Yes. I.
Thank you.
The king.
You found my
下一
letter.
下右单，
You can have your prize now. I promised you something else too.
What is it?
Now you've found all my letters. Let me fix a part of your spaceship.
Let's see what it is. It's almost fixed.
I'm so happy I have all my letters.
Okay,
back.
guys, we're gonna end it here. Make sure
Come
to
with
like,
me and I will take you
subscribe,
to another
comment
king
down below,
who will help
and
you
turn on
fix
notifications.
even more
Bye,
of your
everyone. See you on
spaceship.
part 7.
Off we go.